perhaps this is interesting. I'm scrapping now many circuits, demo circuits that I published on YouTube. So you know that I always work with, say, the brass nails ID to make circuits because of the good properties. The wood, when varnished properly, has an endless resistance between all these electrodes, all these pins, brass nails, and well, this will also be a very short video. I think this is one of the circuits that I published on YouTube. I have, of course, made many of them. Anyway, perhaps a multivibrator or whatever, but I save now all the brass pins here and here. Take out all the components, and here you see the big bunch of components that are saved for new experiments and new videos on YouTube. Coil, other coil, potentiometer here, other potentiometers, and for the important to tell, when I publish circuits on YouTube, I always use my best components. For instance, such a potentiometer here. Anyway, I use for that purpose a 100-watt soldering iron. That is, say, the best idea to take all these circuits apart in a very, very small time. The heat of that 100-watt soldering iron is so high that everything falls apart, and you can easily take these brass nails circuits apart. Of course, because of the enormous heat of that 100-watt soldering iron, you can say, have the idea, could it be that components are damaged? Well, in general, when you act a little bit quick, that's not the case. So, of course, don't heat up transistors for a very long time, capacitors for a very long time. Resistors in general can handle some heat, but anyway, many components that I use here are also were used in the past in industrial settings where there was a solder bath via which the whole print into, say, the backside of the print was immersed. So that's quite hot. So in general, they don't suffer from a lot of heat. And of course, you can also test, when you have soldered out all the components, your transistors, and especially your field effect transistors, perhaps they are somewhat sensitive to heat when you solder them in and solder them out. But anyway, well, you can test them with your transistor tester. So, a lot of components to be reused for other experiments. Thanks for watching. Only a vlog, by the way.